Hey credit cousins, today we're talking about a bank that give out insane high limit business credit cards. You can hide your utilization, and this bank does not require no proof of income, and they offer crazy 0% APR rates. I mean, what else would you want from a business credit card? But before we get into some things, I just want to give a huge shout out to all of my first time viewers and returning credit cousins. This channel is dedicated to you all, where we get straight down to the nitty gritty from data points, credit tips, hacks, and more. So please join the conversation today in the comment section. I would love to hear from you with all of your questions, comments, concerns, and opinions. So definitely drop a comment, and if you can smash that like button, I greatly appreciate it. Remember, because of you, this is why the channel is blowing up. So thank you. So today we have NBKC Bank on the docket. NBKC Bank was founded in 1999. NBKC Bank is short for National Bank of Kansas City. They offer access to physical branches for residents of the Kansas City area and online banking to all other customers. So anyone can apply for their products. I also asked you guys that you want the business credit sauce from NBKC, and you guys went crazy with their fire emojis letting me know that you wanted on the personal business cards at NBKC Bank video. So here it is. You do not need a personal or business savings or checking banking account to apply for any of their business credit products. So you can apply for any other business credit cards and get an instant decision today. NBKC Bank offers 4 business credit cards for its customers. They have the Business Cash Preferred Card, and you can earn up to 3% cash back on eligible net business purchases. The intro APR for purchases and balance transfer is 0%. Introductory APR for the first 6 billing cycles. You can earn $25 cash back awarded after your first purchase. You will receive a $100 annual software credit after 11 consecutive monthly software transactions. For example, if you use software like QuickBooks for your business. And there is no annual fee for this credit card. Next we have is the business card. Yes, that's what it's called, the business card. This credit card offers 0% intro APR purchase and balance transfer for 18 billing cycles and has no annual fee. So if you're looking to turn your credit into cash and fund your business, this could be the card for you, and there is no annual fee, like I said. Also, this credit card does not report to your personal credit report. So if you're looking to hide your utilization, this is a no-brainer for those who use their credit cards to short fund their investment ventures. The next card is the Smart Business Rewards Card. The APR rate for purchases and balances transfers start at 18.99% to 23.99%. You can earn 2 times awards in your top 2 categories and get 20,000 bonus reward points, which is equivalent to $200 rewarded when you spend $500 in the first 90 days. There is no annual fee for this card for the first 12 months, and after that, $95 for the first year, and every year after that, it will be $95. The last credit card is the Business Real Reward Card, and you can earn 1.5 points monthly for every dollar you spend on eligible net purchases. The intro APR for purchases and balance transfer is 0%. Introductory APR for the first 6 billing cycles. You can earn 2,500 bonus reward points awarded after the first purchase. There is no annual fee for this credit card as well. So they do pull from TransUnion Credit Bureau when applying for the credit card, and the underwriter is Elon Financial. They do not require no proof of income or any documents to be approved for these business credit cards. These business credit cards also do not report to your personal credit report unless you default on your payments. If you are looking for a high limit credit card to turn into cash for short-term flips that you can earn a higher return on your investment, such as drop shipping, reselling watches, flipping pallets, starting your own vending machines or buying vending machines, Amazon FBA businesses, drop shipping, basically anything you can buy and flip rather quickly, and you need quick and easy funding to get your business off the ground and don't want to affect your credit score, these business credit cards are excellent to do so due to the 0% intro APR for the 6 to 18 billing cycles balance transfers. So with that being said, I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know if you tried this bank or if you plan to use this bank for your next money move. Comment down below in the comment section your results. This channel is all about learning from each other. I look forward to your feedback. Make sure to join the private group, the Credit Cousin Club as well, where we discuss data points, tips, hacks, and more with similar credit products. Everything will be in the pinned comment section below. See you next video, Credit Cousins. Bye.